What's going on, guys? So today I'm vlogging in the dark because down here in the Rio Grande Valley it's too hot. It's 100 degrees every day. And let me show you real quick what I'm doing. So I just did the first one. I couldn't find the screws. You could find them online, but I saw that they were selling little tabs, push tabs like this, and that being in there, it's like really hard in there. So I did that one, tried it, put the battery on, tried it, it worked. Now I'm gonna go on to this one. I ordered these online. They're all the same. So it's a black and red. Brown and black. This is a brown and black, and it's brown and black. So we're just gonna change it like that. There's a cat around here that likes to fight with my cats. It's an unspayed cat. Anyways, so I'm gonna cut them. Let me show you the other one. I'm gonna cut it like this. So I can put the new long one. But you're not gonna use a whole, not unless it's preference. If you want to use it long, you put it long. I cut half because it was just too long. And yeah, I'm gonna start it so you guys can see. I did the other one, guys, so you guys can see. I did the other one. I did the other one so I could know how to do it right and do it good, so I can show you guys how to do it and not be there doing it all crazy, you know. Can't even talk, man. But it's so humid out right now, guys. Let's see. There's some tape around here, so you know, let me just take some of that off. Put the wires like that. Okay. You want to get the 16 gauge? It's this one right here. Let's go with the brown. Probably want to cut off 16. Then you go to the next one, which would be, actually I'm doing the 16 now. It was the 14 when I was doing it. Then I'm going to go on to the 18 gauge and use that one to cut it. Because I saw that the 16 really doesn't cut it. It just kind of marks it. So you're going to go back to the 16, put it in there, and start pulling. This took me a long time to learn how to do this kind of stuff, guys. I mean, I would rip the whole wire out. Sometimes I would cut the whole thing off. I got these. These are really good at Harbor Freight. They're Pittsburgh. They're better than these. I guarantee you that. If you can know how to use these and you can do that kind of, okay, props. But these work better than anything else. I'm telling you, get them. Harbor Freight. Probably like 12 bucks. So from here, these two Harbor Freight comes with that one that I just showed you. Comes with it in here like that. But we're gonna use the 16 because it's a 16 going into it's a 14 right here. This is a 14 going into a 16 gauge wire. And how I measure that is using these holes. Okay, so I'm gonna use the 16 and 14 because that's what it is, two blue ones. And then I'm gonna use heat shrink. Got this on Amazon. I'm gonna get probably the 745 millimeter. I think it's these yes, two of these. I need a heat shrink gun, guys, because I'm gonna do this right now and heat shrink this with the lighter, and I'm gonna show you that it doesn't really work good enough with a lighter. So I need to invest in a heat shrink gun. Okay, that's already got. I wanted to get that situated and out of the way. I come over here. Now, you know what? Now let's cut them both. Go to the next one. Let's go like right there. Don't need that much. Mark it at 14. Actually, guys, I think this gauge is, yeah, it's a 14. It's just that I have to go up to cut it because 14 doesn't cut it. That one. Then I turn it a little. So it just takes practice, guys, doing this kind of stuff. I've actually learned. If you're one of those people that think, oh, I'll never learn, trust me, I was the same way too. I thought I'd never learn how to do this. But you will. The tip of these are supposed to squeeze down on these. Saturday night. Wait. Yeah, he likes to drive how I drive. But I'd keep going faster. There you go. That's what I want to hear. Keep going. Damn bug. I don't hear no war boys out tonight. What's going on? You guys are scared to come out or what? I'm scared. Si pela cuz o no pela? ¿Qué onda? I'm gonna get an Edgar haircut or what, guys? If you guys would comment, 10 people would comment, get one, I would. But no one will, so I ain't gonna get one. Imagine. No. It'd be the best one out there, though. I'm gonna get the Lloyd haircut. I bet you don't even know who that is. Get this freaker out of the way. I know you're probably saying, why is he using those chuffy ass, these cheap connectors when you can buy some badass ones? These are the ones I have right now, guys. I don't have those nice ones that they use. The heat shrink ones. Those are cool. They have like a little piece of metal inside, and then you put the wire and you heat shrink it. I feel like the crimp is like it's more tighter and stuff, you know. Yeah. Another one bites the dust. All right. Okay. Come right here. Let's see. See how it's thicker, guys? Yeah, that one's a little wire penier. So, that's how I do it. Probably gonna do it like right there. Right there's good, so probably like right here. Fuck it. Right there. I'm gonna come over here. Oh, it's that truck again. He's probably a war boy because he keeps revving in front of my house. That's cool. See how it doesn't cut it, guys? But when I get to the 14, it cuts it. Which is, I'm gonna say this is it's a 14 because it's cutting it. But I gotta go a little bit over here to cut it real deep. And then I go back to pull it out. See? Don't go too crazy. Then you twist this like how I'm twisting. Go on to the next one. You're like, oh, how do I measure? Measure like that, or you can go like this. And always just not gonna cut that one. And then you turn the wire a little. And then you go to here, but don't go all the way, squeeze. You'll mess your shit up. Then you go back and finish cutting it. Ooh, yeah. Gotta make your own damn label, Tony. They're never gonna let you in the winner's circle. Yeah, I bet you guys don't know where that's from. Let's see. Let's go with the brown. The Bobby Brown. Where's Bobby? Give me some more. Bobby Brown time right here, guys. Brown. I'm gonna cut it a little. It's too long. I think that's good enough. I think I might do it too short. Oops. Oh yeah, perfect. Guys, so I just realized I forgot to put the damn heat shrink. Always put the heat shrink before you cut, do anything to the wire. Gosh dang it. I did that one real nice, and this one I messed up like a bum. So mad at myself, man. Loser. What a loser. That's what I get for talking to myself and not concentrating, guys. Well, not talking to myself, but talking to you guys. Not concentrating. I can't multitask. Apparently, because... Oops. Careful, guys, because you can actually rip this. You see how I pinched it right there? You don't. It could have ripped. You're not trying to go too crazy. That's it. Now I get the lighter. Gosh dang it. You guys with the new cars, it's better for you guys to get a heat shrink gun because I'm getting real close to the paint, and if you guys got new cars or your Mustang is painted, you might burn it. So be very careful doing this kind of stuff. You see how it doesn't seal it all the way, guys? It's not working like it needed to. This is a shitty job, so I need a heat shrink gun. It's just not hot enough, the lighter. It sucks. And look at that one, looks all lame. I have to put black tape. Gosh dang it. This is not Jimmy Oaks approved. Hey, get out of my car, stinky cat from Arizona. Alright guys, so putting in these, I'm very cautious on how to do these. So I like to, you don't really want to put your greasy fingers on this. So you want to get it like that if you can and put it in. Ooh, everybody's having fun except me. Well, I'm putting lights on. Just like that. Greasy hands will make it pop. I'm gonna put the key in, guys. Alright guys, I'm gonna turn on the lights, so let's see. Ooh. Is it working?
It's working.
Nice. So yeah, you can get other colored lights, guys. I got original yellow ass. So let me put the little thing on. Let's see. Got this on Amazon. They are regulable. They are the ones that are supposed to go on there. QC pass. Yeah, check that hologram card. Ooh, that's nice. So you just get it and do a twist. Shove those wires in there. Let's go over here. I also got this on Amazon. I'm gonna go with the A01. What is it? 13.1 millimeter. And it's this one right here. That one. I'm gonna get 2 of those. I'm gonna put them through here first, guys, because it's kind of. Ooh, wait, maybe that wasn't the one. No, it wasn't the one. It's too small. It's this one. That one, I'm using this one, guys. That's the one I'm using. So I push them in like that. You know what, guys? I got an idea. Where are the baby zip ties? I used to have baby zip ties, but I don't. I guess they're big zip ties. The hell? All right, guys, put them in there. Oh, this part is so satisfying. Oh, yeah. Sweet. Nice. Awesome. Ooh, man. But check it out, check it out, check it out. So that's what I'm trying to do. So everything can be legit and nice. This is the brake light, third brake light. I think like half of it's out, so I need to get a light bulb for that. And that's it, guys. So hot outside, but I wanted to show this video on doing that because just wanted to show you guys. And I might do more vlog night filming because it's just too hot in the daytime. And look, I'm sweating right now because it's that hot right now, even at night. So put the fan on. So I guess that's it, guys. Just wanted to show you. Look at all the stuff it took to do it. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.